What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the reasons why you should consider buying the Realme Narzo 50A or the reasons why you should skip for the another smartphone at this price range too. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So the Realme Narzo 50A has been launched and for the starting price of 11,500 in India. And for the base specifications, it comes with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. So this phone is being decent one at the overall, as it comes with a 6000 mAh battery, and you don't find this capacity of battery any other than this smartphone. Not only that, this smartphone also supports a reverse wireless charging too, so when you run out of juice for your another smartphone, then you can charge from this phone too. The quick charge of 18 watts charging support has been given to this phone, but considering the capacity of the battery, then this might be a slower one than you think. Next thing, talking about the processor of the MediaTek Helio G85, then it's a decent processor for the gaming one, and you get a high speed of CPU for up to 2 GHz of core. Now, what thing might let down for someone new is that it is a 12,000 rupees smartphone, but it still comes with a teardrop notch style, as you won't be able to see any kind of a punch hole display or the in-display punch hole selfie camera in the smartphone, but that's what it is. Now, but the battery capacity and the software updates have been given so much better in this smartphone that you can get a call time of up to 2 hours for just charging this phone in just for 5% battery. But the major upgrade which comes at this phone at this price is about the camera, and it comes with a triple camera setup, whereas the primary camera of this smartphone is of the 50 megapixels. Note that this is the only camera which is a useful one, and the rest two cameras are the portrait lens and the macro lenses, which are not as much as useful when you compare to the main camera or even for the better quality of the photos. Well, you also get with the 50 megapixel of camera is the night shots, and you don't get this night shot modes in the any other price bracket in this smartphone. Now, what do you think about this smartphone? Are you planning to buy this one? Because it comes with a 6.5 inch of a display and it's a standard 60 Hz of refresh rate. Well, the design of the phone looks a unique one, but what's compromising with this smartphone is that the high brightness mode. You only get up to 517 nits of peak brightness in this smartphone, which converts that this phone might be a bit of a struggle while using it in the outdoor. Now, the design is a good one as it comes with 3 colors, which are the oxygen blue, oxygen green, and another one is the dark one, which is black color. The phone also comes with a dedicated micro SD slot too, so you can expand your storage by up to 256 GB of the memory. So what do you think about this smartphone? Are you planning to buy the Realme Narzo 50A at 11,500? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and in the poll in our community tab. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.